Move Over Law. Y también vamos a estar tocando un poco lo que tiene que ver con choques múltiples. Pero vamos de inmediato a enlazar con el abogado Matt, que ya está allí con nosotros. Matt, ¿qué opinas sobre este caso?
Hello, Carlos. Hope you're having a good day, my friend. It's good to be back. Thank you for the invitation. Listen, I saw this video. That officer's lucky. That was my first thought. Like, that could have been so much more horrible than what actually happened. But few thoughts. Number one, my initial thought is the car that hit the parked car should have seen it. I think it's their fault. That's my first conclusion without knowing more information about it. They should have seen the car. They should have pulled over. They should have been going slower. I think they could have avoided the car and gone around it. That's first thought, number one. Number two is many states, including Georgia, have what's called a move over law, which says if you're passing a police officer that's stopped, you can't just go right beside them. You've got to come out and go around them. It's called the move over law, and it's for not necessarily this exact situation, but so just the cops feel a little bit more secure when they're, talking to someone at the door or through the window or something like that. So if this person would have abided by the move over law, they would have avoided this car. I don't know if that'll apply here. It would be something to be investigated. Lastly, there's a question, could the person that actually hit the car sue the owner of the vehicle that was just stopped in the road? Unlikely. It's possible, but it's unlikely. We've actually represented somebody that did that exact thing, but our facts were different. Here, you had a cop with his lights going on right in front of the stopped car. To me, they should have seen, or at least slowed down enough to avoid this. So I think the person that hit the parked car is responsible for the accident.
Ahora, y pongo bastante el video de nuevo porque quiero tener todo en contexto. A ver, te lo voy a poner acá para hacerte la siguiente pregunta y dice así. Si el vehículo que impactó al lado izquierdo en el video fue culpable, entonces el vehículo de la derecha que resultó impactado por el choque del primero demandaría a ese conductor.
All right, so now you notice there was another person on the right side of the road. I'm showing you that's your left. Anyway, that's the right side of the road in the video. Now, they would likely have a lawsuit against the car that was driving that hit the parked car. Because the person driving that hit the parked car led to all of the injuries and damages that happened from it. So they would go after that person.
Y para finalizar, ¿qué tan importante es tomar evidencias en este tipo de casos? ¿Cómo nos ayudan?
So, yeah, getting evidence is crucial, certainly in a case like this, because this is not an easy one. A lot of accidents, someone's hit from behind, it's simple. You know what happened. You don't have to argue about who was responsible. But in this case, you'd have to subpoena that body cam, or excuse me, the dash cam video from the police officer. And we do that all the time. That's not difficult, but you got to know to look for it. And you might have to go speak to the police officer and do some other investigations, because you really want to know how much lighting was there on the road, how visible was that parked car that was just sitting there, was there another overhead street light that was giving more light to the area. There's a lot of investigating to do on this accident. So yeah, so Carlos, I hope your audience remembers, don't do this alone. If you've been in an accident and you're injured, gathering the evidence, getting videos, getting police reports, getting witness statements, getting all of this data, it's not easy. It's especially when you have another job and a family and just all this other stuff going on. Our firm is organized and set up to get this information for you so that we can represent you in the best possible way. So if you have a situation like this or any accident, please give us a call. We are there for you.
Soy Carlos Moreno, reporta para SOS News. Esto fue El Camino Legal con Heinz Law Firm. Nos vemos en la próxima.